this is again a more inside scoop on this murder mystery that has shocked the country. Sonam has been restless in police lockup. There have been 8 days of custody for all the 5 accused, but Sonam will have maximum answers. She's being seen as accused number 1. 24/7 CCTV surveillance. A young woman, barely about 25 years of age. Did she plot this manipulated web of murder, of crime, with a family that only looked at a wedding and a marriage thereon? The young woman was constantly seeking water, though, in the lockup with the cops. There's clearly, remember, a realization that she's had at a juncture. All of this has been exposed. She's facing charges. Now, how much of involvement was she a part of? That will be, we leave that to the investigators. That will be probed further because there will be questions asked to her as well. We are told that food has been ordered for her. And at this juncture, this is to also ensure, remember, that she's monitored consistently so that she doesn't take a step in any way that would then put a dead end to the investigation. So everything is being taken in consideration. See, she's being watched and monitored 24/7 with CCTV surveillance. This young woman being seen with Raj Kushwaha, the family says, both families of the man and the woman say that there was no relationship, that they were siblings. But now, as more and more evidence coming in from the police, they've been able to access conversations, chats, transactions, and realizing that both of them asked these other 3 killers to murder Raja Raghuvanshi. What a web this has turned out to be, shocking to say the least, remember? And at a juncture like this, when many were wondering about a couple missing, turns out a massive murder web. I'm leaving you with these visuals, constant updates coming in after a break. More on that.